Hello, my name is Mr. Creaser, and I'm the fourth grade teacher here at St. Thomas the Apostle Catholic School in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Why am I teaching in a Catholic school? One reason, Jesus. Yep, that's why I have the Divine Mercy image right behind me. He's the reason for the school, he's the reason for why I'm teaching these kids, and I want them to come to know his great love for them and for the whole world. Please take a look at the rest of this video about how we explained the curriculum to you, and I hope you take a look at St. Thomas the Apostle Catholic School to send your kids here. Thanks.
Okay, this is how we start our day off, facing the crucifix and the flag, saying our prayers and pledge allegiance, and also our school prayer here at St. Thomas. Our first subject we talk about is religion, Spirit of Truth. This is by Sophia Institute Press. Fourth grade, they're learning about the commandments and the Beatitudes, and that's how Jesus teaches us how to live and make the right choices so we can stay in his grace and his love. This is what the children see at the front of the class. And over here we get into our next subject, which is well-ordered language, or grammar. Students are learning how to analyze a sentence and see how all the different parts of speech work together to form well thoughts, good thoughts, and composing them into a good composition. Our reading curriculum here, Homer Price by Memorial Press. That's one of them. We also have junior great books and other novels such as the Blue Fairy book. This is the classroom. This is what I see every morning, except that the students are not here yet. We have shelves and more books, a recess bag where they hang up their coats, and of course a lot of books back here and their cubbies. Our next subject is the story of the church. Church history, learning how the church has impacted society and how Jesus has worked down through the ages, and how many saints and other holy men and women have shaped our church, our life, and our community. Next part is our math, Dimensions Math, otherwise known as Singapore Math. We're in fourth grade. We're finishing up book 4A. We'll be moving to 4B. And this really lays out not only the basics, but delves deeper into the math for fourth graders, and uses many different models, tools, to visualize the math before you get into it. Some of those are the bar models, which the kids have really taken their time to learn. Could be a really difficult subject. Our next one is FOSS Science, FOSS Resources, and it's divided into 3 modules of energy, environments, soils, rocks, and landforms for fourth grade. Recently we just finished an investigation where the kids are doing energy stations, so they have a fan crank generator and a tone generator where they observe how energy is transferred and how the evidence of energy is all around us. And last, our spelling curriculum from Rebecca keeps them really busy and on their toes studying every week for a spelling test. And here in the back, we have our sacred space, our little altar, where the kids can sometimes come and sit down and pray and take time out to focus on Jesus and his great love for us. And this is the fourth grade class here at St. Thomas the Apostle Catholic School in Ann Arbor. God bless.